We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi.
Bring it on, man. Good Italian.
I'm really old. I can have many more of these and I think it's going to be the fun part.
Famiglia, famiglia.
It has been a fantastic week. It has been a busy week. We haven't stopped all week. We've gone to different places, we've seen some wonderful things, and we've eaten. Wow, we've eaten so much. Today they all went to the beach. I decided to stay at home. Massi went to work. I decided to stay at home and just catch up with a little bit of housework and cook them a nice dinner for this evening. So I've just made them a big lasagna. And yeah, and they're probably on their way home now, and I'm just sitting here nicely reading my book and just enjoying the soft sunlight. It's not so strong as it was earlier on. And yeah, tomorrow Massi's sister and her family go home, and on Thursday his older brother goes home, and the following week his middle brother and his sister-in-law go home. So by next week we're going to be on our own again. But then on Monday my middle son Luca and my brother-in-law arrive for the week. They are over because they're going to be building my sister's pool. So similar to mine, it's an out of ground pool, but a lot bigger, and the decking is going to be enormous, which will be interesting. And there's going to be 3 of them working on the decking, which is nice. So Massi and I will be curious to see how that turns out. I'm sure it'll be beautiful. The wood has already arrived, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing my son. I haven't seen Luca since I saw him last year for his wedding in August, so coming up to a year now, so that'll be nice. With the arrival of summer and the hot days and the long days, we have a little bit abandoned our veggie patch, but I've noticed that the tomatoes have come through, which is super exciting. And so I continue obviously to water and look after them, but I have not had the chance to de-weed any of the weeds that have grown around the lettuces. The lettuces are still growing fine, but of course they are covered in all these horrible weeds, which I need to tackle as soon as I get a chance, and that'll probably be next week when everybody goes away. Also, renovations to our pool have completely stopped because we've had so much little time to even think that we'll have to pick up hopefully in a couple of weeks. We still need to order the decking and put that all around the pool. But it has been a wonderful, wonderful week, 2 weeks, having all of Massi's family over. The brothers have bonded, and so has their sister, and it's just been wonderful. They also took the opportunity to go to the Ortigia market and to taste the oysters that are there at the market, and just have lunch, wander around, shop, come home with great food and cook it at home. It's been wonderful for them to do that, an experience that they've never had before.
Rob, you don't
want?
Wow. Gotta love this. Gotta love this, baby.
Where's the Tabasco? This Tabasco. Take.
The best thing they love to do is just to sit and have a cappuccino and just do some people watching. That for them was the best thing to do. We then went to Avola, last day of Roberto, the older brother's day. He enjoyed the typical breakfast that they do here in Sicily. We went then into a beautiful church, and we were so surprised that the lovely man, the custodian of this church, showed us some fantastic things inside the church. So we're going into this area where they used to bury the farmers. This is a long story, and the kind gentleman explained that these niches were where they would put the bodies, which is very interesting. I think Massi's brothers are a bit freaked out, but Massi's waiting in the car because there's no parking. Wow, look at this. Where's Robbie? Come. No, come on. This is beautiful. Wow. Not sure, very old.
I wonder what century this is.
Look at this, could be the first little church. This was like the head church, yeah. And then they built the rest.
The history behind this.
After that amazing visit to the underground area in the church, we made our way towards the Tonnara, just to show them the tuna factory and explain that in Sicily you get so many of these tuna factories on the coasts, and what they were used for, and how they were, and how they've been preserved all these years. And they absolutely were gobsmacked at how much history and how much beauty just lies there, and we see this through their eyes, and we are so proud to show all these beautiful things and areas of our lovely Sicily to everybody that comes. We then made our way towards the seaside, and we decided to spend half of the afternoon just relaxing, swimming, enjoying il dolce far niente, the thing that the Sicilians do best. Of course, you wouldn't be able to not finish Avola's visit without going up the beautiful scenery to see Avola Antica, and just to see the whole view from above. That was just the little cherry on the cake, and we finished the day like that, and it was great.
Naughty love.
We have finally grouted the shower.
Watch when you put the
The
shower
three
on.
brothers were arguing over the grouting because Fabio's saying that we should have just left it to dry, and we're quickly all trying to get the grout off because we're scared that it'll stick and it'll be hard. Why, Fabio, is it wrong?
Because you got to let it cure, and then you got to let it seep in. Once you've done that, you let it dry, you put the shower on, you wipe it, and you do the cracks again. That's your final
Okay.
base.
Fabio, it's already starting to dry though.
All right. But I
Now
wanted
the
to
time to
even out
do
the
it.
crack
I love it when the
more.
brothers argue. It's great.
He's a jack of all
Except
trades. The
that
other
the
one's a
Jew-
panel
How was it,
beater. I'm
Richard?
the one that
I know
knows.
what you
and
were.
no one
You're
else
the
knows.
artist. You're the artist.
I'm the artist.
Exactly.
No,
the
I wasn't
Picasso.
doubting myself. I
You're
don't
the
want to fucking
Picasso.
be.
Massimo's
Because I want
Jack
to
and
prove
Robbie's
myself
panel
right.
beater.
Massimo's the jack of all trades, and Robbie
You want to
is
phone me now
the
to
panel
to
beater.
apologise.
So yeah,
I'm sorry, my brother.
who
I'm
knows
very
what will
sorry. I
happen
can't
and how
believe
it'll
it.
turn
Is that who
out.
you were speaking to now? Yeah.
I of course had to test the shower out, and I give the shower a 10 out of 10, absolutely perfect. The grandkids then came over for a little bit of a swim. The schools have closed and they are spending some quality time with me and their other nonna too. The days are longer and it just feels great to know that summer is here. We made some Omar's rusks, which are typically South African, which turned out pretty well. We decided to move the projector outdoors so we can just get some great fresh air and enjoy wonderful movies in the evening. My sister has had a few sand deliveries. My second son arrives on Monday together with my brother-in-law, and three of them, both of my son and my brother-in-law, are going to be building a wonderful out of ground pool for their family. So that's exciting.
Hey guys, so I got myself a little runabout. It's a nice big 250, pretty fast, nice. It's comfortable for me and Maria, big seat, and I think it's going to be perfect for the job.
I love this little padding at the back. It's perfect for my back.
It's a little bit of a backrest, isn't it?
And then show the space underneath the seat, how big it is. It's incredible. Look at
My
that.
backpack in there now.
And plus we've got extra space at the back. This is wonderful.
Yeah,
Can't wait to go to the beach.
absolutely.
Have fun.
See you later.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye. So we are here having a wonderful glass of wine with my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law, who at the moment doesn't want to be filmed, but she'll be filmed maybe later on. We'll see. Okay, so I'm going to ask Massi's brother. He is the middle brother, Fabio. Fabio, this is the first time you've come to Sicily, right?
Yes.
So what are your thoughts on Sicily? Tell me, what were your initial thoughts, maybe your expectations, and then after coming here, what did you realize?
Okay, so I've been to Rome, I've been to Italy, mainland, absolutely loved it, enjoyed it. But at the end of the day, besides the history, it's a city like every other city. It's extremely beautiful, extremely different, but it's still the system. Now, coming to Sicily is a whole new, how do you say?
Experience.
It's completely different. Why I say that? Because it's more, it's not primitive as such. It's very natural.
Yeah.
It's farming. It's everything. It's like you're going back in time. All your fruit, your vegetable, the people, they're so down to earth. I've never seen olives like this in my life, especially coming also from a city.
Yeah.
What I love about this is you live in the farms and you go to the city. The city doesn't come to you and you're consumed by the city. So you have a choice. You come home, total peace, quiet, and just be surrounded by so much nature. Everything is just grows in front of you. Stuff I used to get in vegetables in South Africa, I don't even see here. And you feel even the air you breathe is completely different. The people are down to earth. There's so much peace and quiet here. Where I come from is just chaos. Now I've reached a certain age where I look at this place and I actually felt totally in love with this place.
Yeah.
There's so much about it. I can go on and on and on. This is where I wish I had been 20 years ago. Made a life, settled with my family. Now I've got too many commitments. I've got grandkids, so I'm stuck. I live in the city, same thing every day. You wake up 9 to 5, and it's just monotonous. It's just the same thing. Yeah, every day is different. There's so much to do. It's not like you need millions just to survive. All the cars, all the homes, all the rooms. Everything is just one big competition. Here, nobody cares. You have your little boat, not your yacht. You have your car because that's what it is, a car with the engine and
Yeah.
wheels to get to A to B.
Exactly.
So you come down from this big cloud and you realize that what is life actually all about? Simplicity. I've met my brother and Maria, have come to Sicily, and it's nowhere near they have enough. It's not about how much you got and what you're worth, and everybody thinks the same. It's about a coffee, it's about food. This is the conversation, something we don't talk about there. It's the simple things, the nature, man, it's mind-blowing, mind-blowing. I have a lot of regrets since I've been here, but I'm enjoying it. I will
But you
come
can
back.
always come and visit, exactly.
That's it. I'll come back, and I will never forget this place.
So you
I'm
would
so glad
recommend it
I've
to
come.
everyone, yes?
Sorry?
You would recommend it to everyone.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, thanks,
Is
Fabio.
that it? I've got so much to say, but anyway, it's fine. Salute.
Salute.
Forza Italia.
So my brother-in-law Fabio has obviously been inspired by all this beautiful architecture that he's seen on his visit to Sicily, and this is the second drawing that he's done for me, and I am so in love with this one. This is absolutely stunning. What do you guys think? Have a fantastic week, and I hope you've enjoyed this week's video, and we'll see you next week with another one. Ciao, alla prossima!